Hi everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful features in Tableau, creating maps. Maps help us see patterns in our data based on location, and in this tutorial, we will learn how to build a map from scratch using specific geographic coordinates. All you need is a dataset with latitude and longitude values, and you'll be able to plot any location on the planet. Let's get started. First, let's talk about your data. Your file, whether it's an Excel sheet or a CSV, must have two separate columns, one for latitude and one for longitude. It's crucial that these columns contain numeric data. Once you open Tableau and connect to your data source, take a look at the data pane on the left side of your worksheet. You might see a simple ABC or hashtag icon next to your latitude and longitude fields. This means Tableau sees them as text or just regular numbers, so we need to give them a special job. This step is very important for the map to work correctly. Right-click on your latitude field, go down to the Geographic Role menu, and from the list, select Latitude. You'll notice the icon next to it changes to a small globe. Now, you need to do the exact same thing for your longitude field. Right-click it, navigate to Geographic Role, and choose Longitude. Perfect! Now Tableau understands that these numbers represent specific points on the Earth. With our data prepped, the fun part begins. Building the map is incredibly easy with a couple of drag-and-drop actions. Find your longitude field in the data pane. Drag it and drop it onto the columns shelf at the top of your screen. Next, find your latitude field and drag that one onto the rows shelf. Instantly, Tableau generates a world map. You will probably see just one single dot right in the middle. Don't worry, this is expected behavior. Tableau is simply showing you the average of all your latitude and longitude points. To make the map truly useful, we need to add a level of detail. We must tell Tableau to plot each individual location from our dataset. Find a field in your data that uniquely identifies each point, something like a city name, store ID, or customer address. Drag this identifier field and drop it directly onto the detail box, which is located on the marks card. As soon as you do this, your single point will break apart into many individual points, one for each unique location in your data. Congratulations, you now have a custom map. But we can make it even more insightful. Want to see which locations have the highest sales? Find your sales measure and drag it onto the size mark. Now, bigger circles will represent locations with higher sales. Want to visualize profit? Drag your profit measure onto the color mark. Tableau will automatically create a color gradient, perhaps showing profitable locations in blue and unprofitable ones in orange. You can also use categories for color. For example, drag a region dimension to the color mark to color code your points. Don't forget to hover your mouse over any point. The tooltip that appears shows you the underlying data, and you can customize what it displays by dragging more fields onto the tooltip mark. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few simple steps, we transformed a basic data file with coordinates into a rich, interactive, and insightful map right here in Tableau. It's a fantastic skill for analyzing geographic data and uncovering hidden trends. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more data visualization tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss the next video. If you have any questions at all, or if you have ideas for future topics you'd like to see covered, please leave a comment down below. Thanks again, and happy visiting.